Bamboo is like your life partner. Right from the day you are born, you need bamboo. Till the time, like it's about time for you to leave this world. You're dead, and you are carried. People carry you on a bamboo. They make it with a bamboo. They take you for cremation. Again, they use bamboo there. So it's bamboo is like inseparable part of human being.
Bamboo has been intrinsically associated with the lifestyle of Assam. Since the birth to death, the people have incorporated bamboo in every aspect of their life. Its importance in Northeast can be measured by the fact that it is not only used for handicraft but also used in the kitchen to make sumptuous dishes and employed in medicine as a remedy to fight diseases. Manufacturing of bamboo handicraft in this region can be traced back to 7th century AD. It finds mention in Banabhatta's Harsha Charita and Ptolemy's Travelogue. This age-old relation with bamboo has given birth to the traditional handicrafts symbolizing the culture of Northeast India. Found in abundance in almost all the forests of northeastern states, the most useful variety that is used in craft work are muli, dalu, khang and pecha. Assam alone comprises about 51 different species of bamboo. The essential tools required for bamboo craft consist of a dowel, bill hook, a knife and a jack, V-shaped wooden frame. At times tools like bakai coal, bending frame, narum, sharp and pointed carving blade are also used in making intricate artwork. The manufacture of cane and bamboo products are mostly carried on outdoors and the craft does not require any housing arrangement, particularly in rural areas.
हमारा इंडिया का हर जगह पे मैंने काम करके देखा है बैम्बू का, लेकिन ये नॉर्थ ईस्ट का जितना बैम्बू है उसका इतना हार्ड भी नहीं है, इतना सॉफ्ट भी नहीं है, और इसका जो लेंथ है बैम्बू का वो भी यहाँ का करीबन 30 इंच 35 तक मिलता है कभी कभी ऐसे। तो इतना माफिक लेंथ वाला बैम्बू नॉर्थ ईस्ट का अलावा और कोई जगह में नहीं मिलता है इंडिया का अंदर।
One of the most popular bamboo artifact is the japi, or traditional headgear made using the strips of bamboo and a special kind of dried palm leaves locally known as tokopat. While in ancient days it was the indispensable item of the open air workers, today it is the symbol of Assamese culture. Japis are gifted to dignitaries as a sign of respect and come in different variety and design. The other handicraft which employs thousands of workers is the making of colorful mat or sitol patti all over Northeast. The people from the plains and hills of Northeast create these mats using their distinctive design and unique patterns. These mats are further used to erect the four walls of the hut and provide roof to the house. They also have cultural significance as they are even used during the last rites of a person. It remains a favorite item in the making of household tools and utensils such as baskets, winnowing trays like salani, kula, and fishing implements like polo, jakai, khalai, dori, chepra, paran, juti, hogra. Today, with a growing competition, the craft of making bamboo furniture and utensils has also been revamped. Manufacturers are using bamboo to make sofa sets, weaved bamboo, blind and screen, fruit forks, jewelry, and many more. Though the aim is to capture the foreign markets, the traditional designs and patterns used reflects the culture of northeastern states of India.